Hey, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I wanted to do another video at this deck because I just wanted to talk about how this had teak on it, and the teak needed to be restored, and the customers were brand new homeowners here were weighing the options of putting composite down and removing the teak. But I talked them into keeping the teak and how nice it really is. But they had these big high teak railings that they couldn't see out real well. It wasn't real good. So what happened was they went to contemporize a little bit, and that's one of the reasons people go with composite decks. They look more contemporary, new, fresh, as compared to the old wood look, as you see over my shoulder. But as you look over my shoulder, you'll see the black railings. And those black railings really put a nice touch on, and that's what you see. Today, one big thing about today's market is, when it comes to decks, there are so many features out there and so many options, whether it's black railing, whether it's white railing, whether it's white railing with black balusters, whether it's lit caps, whether it's outward lighting, downward lighting. We put a little design on the corner of these, which is really nice. There's a lot of things you can do, whether it's composite or wood, where you can do things like picture framing or inlays, but there are so many options. This looks so nice when you have that wood look, and it's like hardwood that's really nice and it's going to last a long time, and then you add that black railing. Wow, what a touch. And then think about the future. All you have to do is restore the floor, which is easy in comparison to the railings. When you have those wood railings, they're tedious, they're a pain. Do we spray, do we brush? It takes forever, blah, 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 blah. Well, this makes it a lot easier. Just restore the floor, you have the black railing, boom. Anyway, features today are great. Black railing, as you can see over my shoulder, a great option. Just wanted to show you that. Make you think out of the box. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any comments, leave them below. Tell me some of the features and options that you've maybe added to your deck. Thanks for watching.